Cracked your kitchen table? No problem. We can fix it. Let's pour some thin glue into the crack. Now some wood glue into the crack. Clean off the wood glue. Mask it down for painting and sanding. Sand it. Fill it in with wood filler. Once it's dry, sand it with 220 and 320 sandpaper. Let's carve in the lines. That's what they look like. Let's paint it. Dark Sapele brown. A hint of natural brown. A little bit of brown chestnut. Let's brush some black glaze into it. Rub the black glaze in. Some more dark sapele. Seal it with a clear coat. Remove the tape. And that's it. We're all done. Looks pretty good.